Welcome back, and in this video we will be taking a look at doing one more part of our assembly that we're going to need. And we're going to kind of create this small little object here, which is a bushing. I know they have it kind of named as bush, but this is going to be really simple to do in Inventor, and it shouldn't take us that long, so we're just going to hop over to Inventor and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a new part for this. I'm just going to select this icon here. Wait for the dialog box to open up, and you've seen me do this before. And if you did this the last time, you'll see that it's already automatically loaded onto the metric. So you can just uncheck this box or expand this box and then go to metric. And then in this case, I'm just going to double click on this icon. In some of my other videos, I was selecting it and then selecting create, but just to show you that you can double click on it and it's going to give you the same effect. Now we're going to let Inventor load up and then we will start creating this part. Alright, so like we did with everything, I'm going to create my 2D sketch. I'll start off by selecting the XY plane, and once it rotates around, I'm going to start creating my shape. And like I said, this is going to be a super quick one, and if you kind of look at the picture in the PDF, you can kind of predict what command I'm going to use, and in this case it would be the revolve command. Alright, so one of the things that give this away that I'm going to be using the revolve command is that it has a center mark. Now this is not the case for all of it, but typically if everything revolves around one kind of center line here, that's going to be our thing that we're going to use. Alright, and now you're going to see me go ahead and create all of these diameters as well as this little offset of 3 and the 25. So as you can see, there's only 5 dimensions that I need, and I should get this done rather quickly. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start off with the line. Create that line. It's going to be horizontal. And I'm going to make that line the total length of the bushing that I'm going to create. So it's going to be 25. Next, I'm going to put this line onto this center mark here, or center point, by selecting this coincidence constraint. Go find the midpoint of my line, click on it, and then go ahead and click your yellow dot, that's the center point. Alright, I hit escape one time to get me out of that command. Now select the line again and tell it that you want to make it a center line. Alright, next, go ahead and hit the escape button. Make sure that this button is not continually highlighted when you select escape. So when I clicked on the escape button, you can see that that turned back and turned off. If you leave it on, it's going to create everything or all your whole entire drawing on a center line, and then you're going to have to go and turn that off. Alright, let's draw the lines. So all I'm going to do is create a kind of rough L shape here. So I'm just going to go and create my shape like so. Alright, next I'm going to start kind of lining this up. I know this is the overall length of my entire part. So I can use the coincidence constraint again by selecting this line. Try to stay away from the midpoint on this one. So I'm going to select the line, and then I'm going to select that point. I'll do the exact same thing at the other end. I'll select the line and then select the point. So that knocked out my 25. Now when I change this number here, it should affect this overall line here. Let's go ahead and put our other dimensions on. So I'll put all of my diameter dimensions. And I like to start from the most inside one first. So I'm just going to select the line, select that one, go ahead and place that dimension. This one is 20. I'm going to go back to the center line. I'm going to select this line, place it over here. That's 25. Select my center line, this top line here. That's 35. And then I should only need one more dimension, and that's going to be the dimension here, which is 3. Alright, everything is fully constrained. Thing looks happy. Go ahead and hit finish sketch. It's ready for the revolve command. Once I hit the revolve command, it should be able to pick up everything and it should be done. Go ahead and hit OK. Go ahead and kind of center this or get it in the right position. Save it. Like with our other parts, I'm just going to call this one a bush, since that's what I had it named on the drawing. Hit the save button. And you are complete with this one. So this one should move a lot quicker. Alright, so if you made it through and you enjoyed watching all of these videos, please like and share. because as next we're going to put all of these together. So when you create all 5 of those, we're going to attempt to put them together in an assembly file, and then you can see some neat things that we can do from there. All right, so thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.